Mukesh Khanna, they have incriminating evidence, the Drug Control, Narcotics Control Bureau, but I do want to ask, is it not shameful that the Enforcement Directorate, which looks at the financial angle, the Enforcement Directorate has to bring out all this incriminating evidence regarding the use of drugs among politicians and Bollywood personalities? What is the Narcotics Control Bureau doing? What is the Mumbai police doing? Is it the Enforcement Directorate's job to look at this? It's happening right under the nose. And now what people tell me, Mukesh, is that drugs, politicians and Bollywood,
Arnab,
there is a strong circuit which operates in Mumbai. What can you share, Mukesh? Share with our viewers the details.
Arnab, in last few discussions I had with you, I have given you lots of compliments. I even have said Vijayi Bhavaputra. But today let me tell you, Arnab, you are opening the Pandora box of the Bollywood. Your relentless campaign in this case is slowly getting into the inner circle of the industry, which nobody has gone yet. This case has gone from suicide to murder to Reha mysteriously giving tablets to Sushant for the depression, and now it is being revealed that those tablets were not tablets, they were drugs administered in coffee. I mean, it is shameless. I mean, it's a totally shameful. And but again, I would say, this is not something new. In politicians, they call these kind of girls as Vish Kanya. You must have heard the name of Vish Kanya, which is used all over the world. Now, I don't know whether this girl is a Vish Kanya, but this girl is now, your investigation is exposing Bollywood to a light. That's why I say that आपने Pandora box खोल दिया है. आपने जो कुछ भी कहा है वो सच कहा है. यहाँ पर रेव पार्टियां होती है. मैंने भी एक बार कहा था बीच में, करण जौहर का नाम भी ले लिया था कि करण जौहर don't expose this side of Bollywood to the audience. कि आप लोग ड्रग्स भी यूज करते हो. ओपनली इट वाज शोन इन अ फोटोग्राफ व्हिच वाज देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स रिमूव्ड. दिस केस इज गेटिंग इनटू द सेम थिंग. पार्टियां होती हैं, रेव पार्टियां होती हैं, स्ट्रगलर्स आते हैं जिनको काम चाहिए, जिनके पास.
Amit ji, let him speak.